5. The second annual. Damn right. Back to 50s. This is, I love these cool. It's a 1955 Nash. I think Wonder House. I saw one around her little video. I think one of these. Very cool. Love it. 3:30. Right. Nice. See, a lot of people don't really care about these vehicles. I do. I love rare vehicles. It's a Falcon. Like my PT Cruiser, my fag car, right? Nice. Put the top down, bro. For sale. 45,000. Very nice. Love the engine. Keep hope alive. Very, very nice. 1961. Oh yeah. It'd be great to have an Impala collection. Look at that. It's just so easy to get at the engines. Mechanic's dream. It's easy for the oil change. Everything's right there for you. Very nice. Buckets in there. One Nancy Boy, I like automatic. Very nice. An Etzel. Yeah, there's an Etzel right here. First time I've seen it. It must be a 59 Etzel. I don't know what the one that won the Wonder Hussey's in, if it's a 59 or not, but this is an Etzel convertible. And she's in a convertible. Very nice. I don't know what year hers is. That's very cool. Very, very nice. So I know when she's on her little excursion, she's in an Etzel. I don't know what year it is. I'll listen. Very cool. Bad boy. That's a nice little Spirit. Wow, I never seen one before. Oh, look at that one over there. Hopefully can't pick up too much of it. We'll get over here a little bit, away from it. But if we get these monetized, we get these monetized. So if we can get away from the music. Very nice. Look at that bad boy. Oh. Oh, here's this bad boy. This is another cruiser, man, right here. Take it out on the weekends. 53 olds. Take this up to Hinckley, the casino. Play some blackjack. That's too low for me. I think it's cool. It's just too low. Got a wagon over there. See that one over there? Classic. My brother liked that, the Tasmanian Devil. He'd love that. With his handle in the CV. Tasmanian Devil. We'll give it for my brother the bitch. He was a big Tasmanian Devil guy. Very, very nice. Yeah, that's a cool vehicle. Very, very nice. It's a 1956 Chevy Bel Air wagon. Very, very nice. Here's a gal. Here's the. You don't see a lot of those. People don't really like them because they're a Ford or whatever else. They get all pissed and moan about it. It's like compact car parking only. Oh, I love it. Very nice. What year is this bad boy? Doesn't say. It's too bad. Looks like it just got out of a car wreck. Huh.
That has seatbelts.
Yeah, this goes on and on and on. I was at the RV show. I mean, the music was so loud. A couple got demonetized. It wasn't a big deal, but if you're trying to sell an RV, just the music is way too loud. It'll probably be demonetized. This one will, with that music in the background, so loud. But that's a nice couple of nice Chevys right there. Look at that bad boy right there. I think that's a Bel Air. I think it is. They told you, it's rare. I mean, you don't see those. It might be a Bel Air. The way it looks. Yeah, it's a Bel Air. Nice. You see one of those, it'd be fun to get one that would to work on it. Like I said, have a company get stuff out of the scrap yards and paints. And there's a place down. If I did, there's down in Mankato. It does that stuff. It's called Unique Cars. They're always at the auto show every time. They're in Mankato. They're really cool to go to. Look at that bad boy. Oh my word. Look how beautiful. I mean, this thing is like 55 Chevy. I don't see a lot of those. Love the engine on it. Huh.
No, you can, but you might have to.
There's a nice Corvette. Well, there's a over here real quick. There's a convertible over here. Put a top down. Chevelle. Over here. Look at that bad boy. Look at that son of a gun. Malibu SS. And they don't have the top down? What is wrong with you? You gotta get a picture of that bad boy. You kidding me? What's wrong with you people? You've got a beautiful vehicle and no top down. I don't get it. Take a picture, it'll last longer, right? Look at that bad boy. $1940. Look at that bad boy. Oh, that is nice. Look at the. What is this thing, anyways? It's a. It doesn't say. Huh. Still looks nice. The interior is kind of weird, but look how the fins are. Oh my goodness. Couldn't tell you.
You got covered in hail last night.
59 Chevy Impala. Nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, you got some hail last night, so I don't know if some of these cars got hit or not, but I don't know. That was nice. Very nice. Oh yeah. That's a nice one right there. Paint jobs on these bad boys are not cheap either. No, they're not. Like I said, you just goes and goes and goes. There's so many that you really can't get them all. Get what you can get. Look at that. Look at inside there. Bench seats. Got a Charger here. Look at that big engine. Jesus, look at that thing. It's huge. Oh my goodness. Body work, paint, Vesco's custom. Oh my goodness. Nice. There you go. There's a 69 Hemi Charger 500. Yeah, motor. Built like a chip. These things are not light either. They're all steel. Oh my. Yeah, the old Chargers, man. And yeah, a newer one right here. Not even close. Yeah, have the top down, these bad boys. Beautiful vehicle. Joe, you just kind of left it plain Jane, which is kind of cool. Nice job on it. This is a nice convertible right here. Nice blue in it. Reminds me of Hidden Figures. They had a car kind of like this. I think it was a 2-door, 4-door. 57 Chevy. What do you guys think, huh? KC Grits, if you watch this, what do you think? Rusty Thunder.
Where did I get it? Maybe I got it.
Over here. Let these guys get by here. Looks like me eating ice cream as he's driving. Look at that bad boy. Nice. Roadmaster, you're damn right. Hell yeah. They got malts, they got ice cream, they got everything. All kinds of hats. Look at that bad boy. Oh my. It's a nice little vehicle right there. Oh, got an old ambulance. Nice. We'll go check that out first. I might get a malt. That bad boy. Oh my word. Oh. Bonneville. Ambulance. Nice. Very nice. Look at that bad boy. Whew. South District Ambulance Service. That's in there. How many dead bodies this took around? Oh, here's one of these over here. I love these. You don't see a lot of these. I don't want to go too far with that malt chip. I want to get a malt. Plus, you need a new battery in this thing in the first place. There we go. For sale. See, I'd buy this for $36,000. Skyliner. I love these vehicles. These are so cool. I'd buy this one. 36 grand. Very beautiful. Love these things. Very, very cool. That's a nice one too. Well, this I'd buy. I love how they come up. These are really, really nice. Another one over here, it looks like. I love them. You don't see a lot of them around. I saw one at scrapyard one time. It was fixable. P7. That bad boy. Oh my goodness. What do you guys think, huh? Whew. Take one of these. This would be down Route 56. That'd be really cool. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. We got a new battery and have some malts. Talk to you later. Bye.